Tips that will make you beautiful every day. Hey sweethearts! Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for little daily habits that can help you glow up naturally and feel beautiful from the inside out, you're in the right place. These are the exact things I do every single day, and trust me, they make such a difference. So let's dive right in. Start your morning with warm lemon water. I know it's simple, but starting my day with a glass of warm lemon water is such a game changer. It wakes up my digestion, hydrates me after sleep, and makes my skin look fresher. It's like a soft reset for my body. Wash your face with cold water. Cold water is the ultimate natural refresh. It tightens the skin, reduces puffiness, and gives you that naturally awake look. Plus, it feels so good in the morning. Use a good moisturizer and SPF. Skincare is self-care. I never skip moisturizer and sunscreen even if I'm not going outside much. It keeps my skin soft, protected, and gives me that glowy base for the day. Eat 1 handful of antioxidant-rich fruits, blueberries, strawberries, grapes. Just 1 small bowl a day helps so much with my skin clarity and overall energy. Nature's candy and skincare? Yes, please. Snack on a handful of nuts. A small handful of almonds or walnuts is packed with healthy fats and vitamin E, literally food for your skin, hair, and brain. Brush your hair upside down. This is my secret volume hack. I flip my hair forward and gently brush it. It improves blood flow to the scalp and gives my roots a little boost. Do a gentle face massage or use a gua sha. At least once a day, I take 3 minutes to do a face massage or use my gua sha. It relaxes my muscles, helps with lymphatic drainage, and makes me feel like I'm at a mini spa. Braid your hair before bed. Loose braids before sleep help prevent tangles and reduce breakage, while also giving you cute natural waves in the morning. Sleep on a satin pillowcase. Trust me, once you switch to satin, there's no going back. It's gentle on your hair and skin, helps to reduce frizz and creases, and feels so luxe. Get 7-8 hours of sleep. No product beats a good night's sleep. It's when your body heals, your skin renews, and your mind resets. Rest is the ultimate beauty hack. These little daily habits may seem simple, but over time, they make a big difference not just in how you look, but in how you feel. Take care of yourself, drink your water, smile more often, and never forget, you are already beautiful. These tips just help you shine brighter. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. You're glowing, babe.